Hey guys, Matt over at Easy Auto Spa, and one of our most common questions we get asked is for our paintless dent repair, what happens if your damage has a little bit of paint work needed? What if it has maybe one spot that's got really good clean paint with a dent, but one spot that's got a little paint damage? What are your options? Well, today we're here to show you. We've got a vehicle that we're actually going to show you the entire before and after and the whole process of, and we would call this a hybrid repair. This is a 19 Acura ILX, and this client was unfortunately in what they call an uninsured motorist claim. This customer had left their vehicle in a parking lot, and they came out and lo and behold, somebody had dented it, dinged it, hit it with their vehicle, and then left without leaving a note. And so the customer was kind of in a rough spot. They decided to file a claim on the insurance, but as you can tell, there's no damage on the fender other than the dent. There's no paint damage on the fender. They do have paint damage there on the bumper as well as a crack in the headlight, but there's really no paint damage on the fender. So if you go to a traditional collision center, unfortunately what they would do is they would replace the fender, replace the bumper, replace the headlight, and then paint the entire corner there. That includes the hood. They would blend all that together. They might even have to go into the door as well. Not only would they have to do a little bit more painting, there's a cost associated with it and a time associated with it. It's going to take significantly longer at a collision center. Well, this client really wanted to avoid as much paint as possible. They knew they had to have some, but they wanted to avoid as much paint as possible. So bringing us was a great fit. We were able to fix the dent using 100% paintless dent repair. We take the fender liner out, we take the headlight out, we basically stick our tools and rods behind it, and we massage this metal very meticulously out. And as you can tell, it's going to look amazing. The results are going to look great on the dent itself. And then we replaced the bumper. We ordered a new bumper, ordered a new headlight, and then we partnered with a local collision center to have just the bumper painted, and then we reinstalled it. This was able to significantly expedite the turn time on the vehicle. A traditional claim and repair at a body shop right now with part shortages and even staffing at a lot of shops, you're hearing somewhere between 3 and 6 weeks even sometimes. For this repair, this customer, after the insurance file was handled, the actual hands-on repair time was around 4 to 5 days total. So if you've got a vehicle that has a repair, that maybe has some paintless dent repair, but maybe there's a small amount of paint that you want to look at either touching up or having us do a hybrid repair just like this one, swing it by one of our shops. We'd be happy to work with you. It does not have to go through insurance, but we are happy to work with all major insurance providers and can advise you on the best course of action, get you an estimate, and get you looking right a little faster, a little cheaper, and hopefully a lot less invasive. Give us a call if you have any questions at all. Thanks so much. Look forward to working with you soon.